Hello all, this is Om Prakash Yadav. Today I am going to discuss some conceptual problem which actually is from GATE. So let us see, let us start. So there is a problem in GATE or 2014 that was asked for 2 marks. 2 marks. So let us see. So in the question there is a link PQ. So this is the link of PQ and this is rotating about Q. This is a link PQ which is rotating about Q. A rigid length PQ of length 2 meter. So this is what 2 meter rotate about the pin end Q with a constant angular acceleration of 12 radian per second square. When the angular velocity of the link is 4, when the angular velocity of the link is 4 radian per second, alpha is there, so omega will change. So when omega is 4 radian per second, then magnitude of resultant acceleration in meter per second square of the end P is. He is asking resultant acceleration of P with respect to Q at that time when omega is equal to 4. So this P is having the two variety of acceleration, that is what, radial and tangential. So radial acceleration of P with respect to Q will be equal to what, r omega square. So radius is what, PQ into omega PQ ka whole square. So this PQ is how much? 2 meter into omega. So that is what, 4 chi square. So I am getting AR PQ is equal to 4 चौका 16 दूनी 32 32 meter per second square. And what will be its direction? Radial is always toward the center. So that will be P to Q. That will be P to Q. Now, tangential acceleration of P with respect to Q is equal to what? PQ into alpha of that link PQ. So this PQ is how much? This is 2, and how much is alpha? That is 12. So I am getting this 24 meter per second square. So this is the tangential acceleration of P with respect to Q. That will be perpendicular to PQ. So that will be perpendicular to PQ. Let us see what will be its direction. So, but along the velocity vector, when alpha is a plus, that is acceleration. So velocity of point P with respect to Q will be here. So also this alpha T PQ will be here. Okay. And radial acceleration is along that, always toward the center. So this is what the AR of P with respect to Q. These both are perpendicular. So resultant acceleration of P with respect to Q is equal to under root of AR PQ का whole square plus AT PQ का whole square. So this under root AR PQ, that is how much? 32. So 32 का whole square plus AT PQ, that is how much? 24 का square. When you solve it, you will get acceleration of point P with respect to Q is equal to 40 meter per second square. So resultant or total acceleration of P with respect to Q will be 40 meter per second square. That is the final answer. That is the final answer. So this is for 2 mark. Always radial and tangential is at 90 degrees. So from this formula, their resultant can be calculated. So many times similar question has come in GATE and IES objective, and also so many PSUs. Okay, so this variety is very important. Now, let us see next problem. This problem is from GATE 2012. This problem is from GATE 2012. This question was only for 1 mark. Why I have taken this question for discussion? Because most of the institute, most of the people are giving the wrong solution. झगड़ा है लोगों का इसमें. So I am giving a very crystal clear solution, and also you will digest it. Let us see that what is the question. So there is a solid disk. There is a solid disk. This is the center. This solid disk is moving on a plane. This solid disk is moving on a plane. A solid disk of radius is small r, its radius is small r, or roll without slipping on a horizontal plane with an angular velocity omega and angular acceleration alpha. So its angular velocity is omega and angular acceleration is alpha. Okay, the magnitude of the acceleration, the magnitude of the acceleration of a point of contact on the disk is. So this is what the point of contact. This is what the point of contact. So he is asking what is the resultant acceleration of this point of contact. So they have given the option. Let us see the option also. Option A is 0. This option B is R alpha. Option C is under root R alpha का whole square plus R omega square का square, and option D is R omega square. This is actually what for the general case. This is tangential, this is the radial, and 0, and this is what resulted. But same formula cannot be used at all the places. See the point. He is asking acceleration of this point. So you know that when a disk is rolling on a plane, its center of rotation is instantaneous center of rotation will be here. Where will be its IC, instantaneous center of rotation? That will be at the point of contact. So he is asking the acceleration of IC. This I, that is point of contact. So to clear the doubt, let us assume that he is asking acceleration of some another point. He is not asking the acceleration of this point of contact. He is asking acceleration of say some another point. Say that point is A. So you know that IC means what? The whole body is rotating about I, means you sit at the I, then you will find that body is only rotating, not translating. But when you see from the ground, then you will find that this is rotating and translating. When you see from this I, then you will find pure rotation. Okay. So to simplify the problem for better understanding, just I am assuming that how to calculate the acceleration of this point A. So this is rotating about what I. So let us join this. Then now tangential acceleration of A with respect to I will be perpendicular to IA, and radial acceleration of A with respect to I will be toward the center of rotation. Okay, very good. Then what will be its value? 80 AI. 80 AI is equal to what? This R, its radius of rotation, into omega square. Very good. Then what will be the AR of A with respect to I is equal to, this is what tangential, this is the radial one, is equal to R omega square. Tangential is equal to radius into its angular velocity. This is what radial, R omega square, and this is what the tangential ATAI r into alpha. Very good. Then what will be its resultant acceleration of this point A? That will be under root this r omega का whole square, r omega का whole square plus r alpha का whole square, because this both are perpendicular. Then that will be your answer. But he is asking the acceleration of this point of contact. Point of contact means what? The point A has come to the I. When this point A has come to the I, sorry, one correction. This R is not this radius. This R is not radius. This is what AI. This is again AI, because the body is rotating about I, and this will be radius. AI will be the radius. Okay, so this will be what AI. So this R will be AI. Okay, AI. That will be answer. Now, so he is asking acceleration of point of contact means what? That point A will come to the I. When the point A will come to the I, then its radius AI will be 0. Then this AI will be 0. When this AI will be 0, radial acceleration will be 0. Again, when this AI will be 0 means point A will come to the point I. So this is 0. Then this becomes also 0. When radial becomes 0, tangential becomes 0, then net acceleration of this I under root radial chi square plus tangential chi square. When this both are 0 plus 0, so how much you will get? 0. So answer will be 0. So acceleration of this point of contact I will be 0. Very clear. So acceleration of this point of contact will be 0. Okay, that is neither r alpha, not r omega square, and neither this. So different people are answering different, but this is the final answer, 0. It is 0. So very crystal clearly this can be understood by assuming point here, then you are moving to the point I to get the clear declaration. Okay, now let us see the next question. This question is from GATE 2003. GATE 2003, and this is for 4 mark. This is the common data question. 2 questions has asked on the same data. Very simple question on the acceleration. GATE 2003 for 4 mark. So he is saying that there is a disk. There is a circular disk, and this is any line, and this is O, this is a A, this is a B, and this is Z. Okay, let us read the question. The circular disk shown in plane view in the figure rotate in a plane parallel to the horizontal plane about the point O. At a uniform velocity. So this disk in this plane is rotating with an angular velocity omega about O. तो हमने इसको ऐसे कर दिया कि O के about ये circular disk rotate कर रहा with an angular velocity omega. The 2 other point A and B are located on the line OZ at a distance RA and RB. This point are at a distance of what? RA, up to this is RA, and this is what? RB. So this distance is RA and this is what? RB. Along the line OZ. At a distance RA and RB from O respectively. Now he is asking the 2 questions. Let us discuss the first question. The velocity of point B with respect to A is a vector. The velocity of point B with respect to A. He is asking velocity of point B with respect to A. velocity of point B with respect to A is a vector of magnitude. Only he is asking the magnitude. A vector of magnitude, option is 0, option B, omega RB. So let us calculate what will be VBA in magnitude and direction. Let us complete it. So velocity of point B with respect to A is equal to what? Velocity of point B minus velocity of point A. Velocity of point B minus velocity of point A. Velocity of point A. Okay, very good. Let us see what is the absolute. This disk is rotating about this point O. So what will be velocity of point A? Velocity of point this A will be RA into omega. Okay, what will be velocity of point B? So this is rotating about O. So RB into omega. So velocity of point B with respect to A. Look at here. This is rotating about O. So velocity of point B, A with respect to O will be perpendicular to OA, that is in this direction. Then velocity of point B with respect to O will be perpendicular to OB in the direction of rotation. So this is what BB. So what you are looking at, VA and the BB both are in the same direction. Both are in the same direction and perpendicular to link OZ, perpendicular to line OZ means directly you can write. So VB is equal to what? This RB into omega minus VA is equal to RA into omega. So what we are getting, RB minus RA into omega, and what will be its direction? Perpendicular to OZ. This will be perpendicular to OZ. If A is in this direction, B is in this direction, then of course BBA will be along this. BBA will be along this because they are collinear. So that will be perpendicular to OZ. Of course this BBA will be perpendicular to OZ. So that is your answer. Let us see what they are asking. Option is 0. 0 नहीं होगा. Option B. Omega RB minus RA in the direction opposite to the direction of motion of point B. जो point B का motion है उसका opposite होगा नहीं. Wrong. Omega RB minus RA in the direction same as the direction of motion of link B. That is a correct one. Omega RB minus RA in the direction being from O to Z. No. This will not be along that because both the components are along this direction. Okay. So this is the correct option. This is for 2 marks. Now, next question on the same data. Let us see what he is asking. The acceleration of the point B with respect to A is a vector of magnitude. He is asking acceleration of B with respect to A. This acceleration of B with respect to A. Acceleration of B with respect to A. He is asking. Acceleration of B with respect to A. He is asking. So omega. Let us see that this omega is constant. When this omega is constant, then this acceleration is having the two components. One is a ATBA, another will be ARBA. So ATBA will be this BA into alpha. What will be the tangential acceleration of B with respect to A? Okay, BA into alpha BA. What will be the radial acceleration of B with respect to A? Is equal to what? R omega square. R omega square. Okay. Not directly R omega square. ARBA. So RB minus RA. That will be what? RB minus RA. Let us wait. I will calculate. First, let us say this one. So when this omega is constant, you know that alpha is equal to what? D omega bata ke dt. When omega is constant, d omega divided by dt is equal to 0 means alpha is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 0 means what? The tangential is 0. Tangential is 0 means what? There are only radial. There are only radial, that is ARBA. So acceleration of B with respect to A is equal to radial acceleration of B with respect to A. Radial acceleration of B with respect to A is equal to what? ARB minus ARA. Okay. So you know that radial acceleration is always toward the center. So ARB will be from B to O. ARA will be from A to O. That is both is from Z to O. Both is from Z to O. And how to get its magnitude? ARB. So R omega square. So this point of B is at radius of RB. So this RB into omega square, for the A radius will be RA. So RA into omega square. So how much you are getting? This RB minus RA into omega square. So acceleration of B with respect to A will be RB minus RA into omega square. What will be its direction? So you are looking that both are from A to B, B to O, means what? Both are from Z to O. They are in this direction. So direction is from Z to O, parallel to OZ, but from Z to O, always toward the center, always toward the center. Okay, these both are toward the center. So this difference also will be toward the center, that is Z to O. So let us see what are the options they have given. 0 cannot be 0. Omega RB minus RA nahi hoga. That is what? Omega RB minus RA is a velocity, not the acceleration. So wrong. C, omega RB minus RA, again wrong because that is velocity. Option D is omega square RB minus RA. Omega square RB minus RA and the direction being from Z to O. So option D will be correct. That is this one. This one. Okay, that is also a very good question. So, thank you very much.